Hi everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the factors a, b, c on this equation are defined by the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. For the first equation, x squared plus 6x plus 8, a would be equal to 1, b would be equal to 6, and c would be equal to 8. Now what we have to do is just plug in these values to our quadratic formula. So that's negative 6 positive negative square root of 6 squared minus 4, a which is 1, and c 8 all over 2 times 1. If we simplify this one, that will be negative 6 positive negative square root of 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 8, which is 32 all over 2. And then that would be negative 6 positive negative 36 minus 32 is 4, and the square root of that one would be 2 all over 2. So now we can get the values for the roots of x, which is negative 6 plus 2 over 2, which is equal to negative 4 over 2. So x sub 1 is equal to negative 2. Now for x sub 2, that would be negative 6 minus 2 all over 2. So that would be negative 8 all over 2, which is equal to negative 4. And then let's do that one again on the second example. So a would be equal to 1, b is negative 2, and c is equal to negative 15. So that means x is equal to negative of the negative 2 positive negative square root of b squared, which is negative 2 all that squared minus 4, a which is 1, and c which is negative 15 all over 2a. And now let's simplify that. That would be positive 2 plus minus 4 plus 4 times 15 is 60 all over 2. So if we simplify this one, that would be 2 plus minus the square root of 64, which is 8 all over 2. And then let's get the two values. X sub 1, that would be 2 plus 8 all over 2. And that would give us the value of x sub 1, which is 5. And then x sub 2 is 2 minus 8 over 2. So that's negative 6 over 2, which is equal to negative 3.